Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to change font size on any iPhone. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to change your iPhone default font size. Go to your iPhone settings app and here scroll down and just tap on display and brightness. And here scroll down and tap on text size, and here we can see currently this is my font size. And now to make your default font size bigger, you just increase this level from here to make your font size bigger. And now I'm going back from here, and as you can see my fonts are bigger. Now I'm going to opening another app, for example message app, and as you can see text are bigger. And now I'm going back to my settings and again tapping on display text size and selecting the default size. And now if you want to make text bigger or smaller for a specific app, here's how to do it. To do that, first of all you have to add text controller into your control panel. So go to your iPhone settings and just tap on control center, and here make sure to add this text size in your control center. Here we can see it's add date. Now go to the app, in which app you want to make text smaller or bigger. So here's I'm opening message app, and now all you have to need from the specific app, open control center and just tap on this text option, and here select the specific app only. So currently in my message app, so here's I'm selecting message only. Now from here you will be able to increase or decrease your app font size. As you can see my message font has been successfully changed. Now let's make text smaller, and here we can see the result. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.